Hello to all viewers of the YouTube channel Electrician 1. In today's video clip I will show you how to connect a serial switch. In order to learn how to connect the serial switch, we will use the attached diagram. As always, we lead the neutral conductor directly to our light bulb, and in this case we transfer the neutral conductor from the first light bulb to the second light bulb. This way we are finished with the neutral conductor. Our serial switch has 3 connection points, the central one marked with the letter L and 2 secondary outputs marked with 1 and 2. We will bring the phase directly from the distribution board to the central connection point. Next, from the 2 output points we lead the output to the first light bulb, and from the second point to the second light bulb. Therefore, from one output point we are leading to the junction box and from the junction box to the first light bulb. Next, from the second output point we lead to the junction box and from the junction box to our light bulb. And now let's see on our model here, how to do it practically. And here is our model with the serial switch. The neutral conductor is already connected to the first light bulb, and transferred from the first light bulb to the second one. So, once again, we always lead the neutral conductor straightly to the consumer, that is, to the light bulb. And now it only remains to bring the phase to our serial switch and from it to our light bulbs. This is the heart of the switch itself and we need to determine where our common point marked with L is. Here, the manufacturer has left the diagram of the switch itself and marked the central point with the letter L, so it is this one here. There we connect the phase supply from the distribution board. From these 2 points we lead the conductors to our light bulbs. We will return the heart of the switch to its housing. And now we will connect the phase supply, so this is the input to the common point marked with the letter L, and these 2 are outputs to our light bulbs. This point here represents our junction box. So from the distribution board to the distribution box comes a 2-wire conductor, then from the distribution box to the serial switch a 3-wire and from the distribution box to the group of light bulbs, which means that a 3-wire conductor also goes to our chandelier. Now we are going to try the functionality. Let's light the first light bulb, that is, the first group of light bulbs and light the second light bulb. We disconnect and that's what a serial switch is for. Thanks for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and invite them to subscribe to the YouTube channel Electrician 1. Kind regards until the next video.